Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you face swap in Capcut. So first of all, you have to open up your Capcut application. So now on your Capcut application's main interface, what you have to do is that you simply have to click on the templates option present at the bottom corner of your screen. Now on your templates, you simply have to click on the search bar and search for face swap. So now from here, you very simply have to select the template that you want to work on. So for example, I will select this one. Now, simply click on use template. So now from here, you very simply have to select the photos that you want to use in your face swap. This is the only method that you can use to get the face swap effect on CapCut. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.